So hello people, so today I'm gonna let you guys cook along with me. I'm gonna be making some real Jamaican food, you know. Some cabbage and sawfish with dumpling, yam and banana. So I'm gonna show you how I get it done and cook all of this nice food that you guys could try. So the first thing is you guys know you got to wash your hand and all of them something. You must wash your hand. So the first thing I do, I got this. This is pullet fillet. You could use sawfish. I don't have that, or codfish, whatever you call it, but I'm using a pullet fillet. So what I do is, you know, you open up it and I rinse it off, rinse off some of the salt off of it. See? Rinse off some of the salt. And I have some water on the fire right here boiling. And you put it in there to boil off some of the salt. And I boil it like 3 times. So I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit, and then I'll show you guys. There go one more piece of one more piece of fish in the pan. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna start with the dumpling. So let's take a break from me doing the food, because this girl was doing a lot of things. She stopped. Why did you stop? You're trying to be nice, you see this? I gotta strap her in so you guys can see me finish making the food. DJ! What you do? Hey! Where you going? I'm gonna strap you in, okay? Okay? Guys, I'm gonna put some water in there to boil the dumpling. So you just fill it up with water. Like that. My mom is washing the
Mommy,
dishes.
why did it look like it burned?
Yeah, the pot burned. It's been through a lot of struggle. This is us not paying attention to the pot.
How much grease do you put it on?
And then with the sawfish, we change the water. So this is the second boil, so it's not salty. Okay?
Ready? Okay, we're back. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
Mommy.
shit, that doesn't work. Oh. You recording? Okay. So yeah, we put flour. This is whole wheat flour and caramel. I don't know why Jamar is all up in the flour, in the bowl. And then you put some salt on there.
Ooh, salt.
And you get a cup.
A cup?
So you throw the water. Why are you so close in it? Jamar, video pot. Jamar.
Yeah, more better sense.
So she making dumpling right now. What is it called? Caramel dumpling?
It's all wheat. Why you wanna have it? This is a dolly pie?
I wanna cook
Dumpling.
me know, I know.
Cabbage.
Okay. So they cooking dumpling and cabbage.
Ready, say.
Get me away pan you.
Jamar, please come out of my food, please. Whatever it. No, sir.
Come on, type pack. I'm going to cook for yourself.
Look at Shavana. Shavana being Shavana. Hi Tootie. Hi. 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 Hi.
How you stop? Got this little girl. I think I get tired, you know. Now I put on the camera.
No, I got it. I'm just going somewhere.
Why y'all go somewhere for?
I'm just going to a quick second.
That's for sure you say you're tired. Go on, go do.
I'm not.
Y'all go do your homework.
Mine on the camera looks like a different color. Don't look like it. It's pink.
So you try to get it in a dough.
A dough. Guys, I went taller. I'm taller now. Yeah, grown up like mommy. Dude, smush it. Is it getting harder to smush?
No, not really.
Oh. Listen. Smush.
Wait, no, sir. Oh, I'm making like, you know, like these are the dumplings I make. And you press it like that. So I'm gonna show you how I do it and that. And then roll it in. And you wait till the pot starts to boil and you put it in the pot. Now I'm gonna be doing the bananas to put in the pot. I already put the yam in. So what I do to my banana, you wanna rub it real good and get it clean. And you cut off the tip here. And the tip here. And you just slip the knife. Oh my god, it's not working. Slip the knife down it. Like that. See? And you want to do that to all of them. And wash it real good. So now I'm going to be doing the cabbage. And I have some oil in the pot. I cut up some carrots. You don't have to do this, but I want some carrot just to steam. So I'm just gonna put it with it, but normally it's the sweet pepper, tomato, a little hot pepper, and onion. I'm just gonna put it in the pot, you know, like that. And you want to turn down your stove because you don't want it to burn. And you stir it. See that? All that color looking beautiful. And if you are a vegetarian, this would be good. You could put the fish in there. If you are a vegan, you don't need the fish. Okay. And that's the look of it. Looking pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
It's so nice.
And I put some black pepper in there.
You should do a video when you make the lasagna, but a vegetable one.
The vegetarian one, yeah.
So you better.
And I like this season. This is season up. This is a Maggi season.
That's some Chinese.
And I put some of these, but I recommend people not to throw like me, okay? Don't throw like me. Don't do this. What I do. And you just store it in there. I'm gonna put more season, but let this one simmer down. Okay, and this don't take long, maybe 30 minutes, or how soft you want your cabbage to be. And the yam and the banana is over here cooking. And baby CC is sleeping. That's why you don't hear any noise. So I need to hurry up do this, so I don't have to be bothered with her, you know. And I put a piece of butter in there. Yes. A little drip of water. Okay. And guys, you want to taste your food as you go along. If you don't really know, like to say how many minutes something take to do, so you want to just test it. I think to cook everything, I've been going back and forth. I swear the dumpling cooked from last year, but trying to be stopping and taking care of the baby, it seems like this forever. So now the yamming and the banana. So all you do just wait till the banana fully cook, because it's in the skin, so you could definitely test it, you know. And then with the cabbage, you just taste as you go along to see what texture you want your stuff, or how you like it. Some people like it well cooked, like me. I like it overcooked, and some people like it crunchy. So you just do it as how you like it, okay? So I will come back when the cabbage starts cook down, because right now it's so much in the pot, so it's gonna shrink when it's cooked. So this is how you want your food to look.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice and colorful. I swear today I don't know where did my day went. I was on the road all over the place. It's like I was lost. The day just finished real quick. When you have a child, it goes by real fast. Cece got her new toys, which they pull it out of the package, you know, where I didn't want to unbox my toys, and they pull it out, but it's okay. Let me show it to you guys. I think she like it. Cece, you like it? Should not pay my attention. But it seems. Oh, what is it? Oh, weird. Teach shapes, so she gotta be learning her shapes and her number and her color. All she wanna do is eat the thing. Cece! Should not pay me a mind. Oh God. She really love this.
Press.
So Jamar is getting ready to go to soccer practice, and my beautiful tree is around there. There go the tree. My mom, wow, I look dark, right? My mom was gonna be coming to soccer practice, but she's like, she's not staying with the baby because she loves to cry. She loves my attention. I swear. I don't know how mothers do it with multiple children. It's a lot of work. Thumbs up to all the good mothers out there, because it's a lot of work. Look here. Got all this mess. I swear. Look here. Oh no. Christmas tree up. The box is still here from last night. I can't bother. It's just everything all over the place. Nothing to put back. And there go CC pretty picture. Dang, you all you could see is so dark in here. And there go Jamar. That's Jamar right there. Jamar, I need to hurry up because we gotta go. So I'm here, soccer practice with Jamar. My mom is over there with the baby. We bring our little chair. This is my chair. Normally I would try to go, let's focus this, I try to go real close, but not tonight. Jamar is over there practicing. So no, so it's not even focus. Wait. So my mother, she gone. Leave us with the baby, with the whole heap of baggage, the stroller, the chair here, so, and I have a chair on my shoulder. And she gone. I don't even know where she gone, and she don't have the key for the car. And every time she chooses to run. See our way down here, so, because we say outside cool. I mean, it's not cold like New York, but this is cold for us in Florida. In this weather, we dress up like we live in Alaska, I swear. So I'm gonna go home now, go eat my food.
Me too.
Jamar well hungry. I don't think Jamar gonna eat the food as I cook the cabbage because Jamar don't like cabbage. So I'm gonna show you guys what the cabbage. Oh no, sir! I'm sorry, cold. It cold. I swear.
We need to go. It's cold.
In a this time, people not take shower.
I'm not taking.
But I have time for them. So I'm so cold.
Mommy, can you turn the temperature warm in the house?
Yeah.
So I don't feel cold when I'm sleeping.
Lots of people not taking any shower tonight. You see, most of them were out here, so I play ball. Them not be here tonight.
I'm not either.
Alright guys, so I'll see you when I get home, okay?
I'm not gonna bathe, okay?
You're not gonna be?
No.
So I'm home now. I'm gonna be eating my food. I'm super hungry. So let me show you guys the meal.
Mommy, if this comes from my belly, I'm gonna soup.
Okay, it's still more. So I'm having my cabbage and dumpling. My mom over there eating, holding a baby. And Jamar is having dumpling with some tilapia fish. I find some fish in the fridge, so I didn't have to cut the mackerel. Cece not eating anything. She had already eaten her food earlier. She's gonna get breast milk. And the place is a mess. It is a mess. So
What?
Mommy,
huh?
the fish are cold.
It didn't warm all the way? I put it in the microwave, but I guess it didn't warm all the way. So guys, I see you. Damn it, I don't have no spoon. Oh, there goes a spoon. I use this. I eat with spoon. I eat dumpling with spoon. I'm sorry.
Me too.
Right?
Yes, but I'm sorry.
Oh my god, my lip is dry.
It's
So
so
guys,
cool.
I see you in my next video, and I hope you like this video.